Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all. We back here with Miss Monica Williams, the church's chicken, first degree murderer. She murdered a lady, one of the employees that worked there. Now, I got some update on her. Now you know she was charged with that, right? She was charged with what she did to this young lady, and that's a sad deal. Now that lady not here in war with her family. Um, Found her way to court. Let's hear this. So her, yeah, I'm laughing because it's stupid. Now her attorney didn't show up today to court. Now, in other words, her public defendants. Okay, y'all couldn't find nobody else. These folks don't got tired of publicizing for these killers that are dismissing other people. Now, young lady, what in the world having a defendant gonna have? Gonna free her? You'll be surprised. Look like to me they ain't been punished for doing nothing that they do. Y'all, this is your girl, the real deal. Anita Gill. Like, share, and subscribe. I love y'all. I'm out.